Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos. I purchased this item with my own money. I like doing these unboxings just in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. I've never used an Amazfit product before. This will be my first experience with this brand. So you might be wondering, why did I get this item? $129.99. The one I have is the premium version. Premium basically means you get a sapphire crystal and you get an additional strap. I'm hoping it came with 2 straps. On Amazon it didn't really say if it did, but I'm hoping I'm going to get a leather strap as well as a silicone strap. I ordered this because traditionally I've used Garmin products, I've used Sunto products, and I'm tired of spending a fortune for items that in a couple of years, maybe even a year, are obsolete already. So let's see. This shouldn't be that hard, right? There we go. I thought for $129.99 you got a lot of bang for your buck, assuming that the item is pretty good. The other thing I liked about it is it's 44 millimeters. Some of these smartwatches are absolutely huge. So they're great for when you're working out, but when you wear them to the office, they just look horrible. Wow, look how thin that is. Hopefully you can see this. Let me focus my camera a little better. Supposedly 10 days of battery life. I'll say this, it does have a leather strap. The leather doesn't feel to be the greatest quality. It actually feels kind of cheap. The clasp is kind of cheap. The leather, it's not the best, but it's not too bad. The big question is, did I get an additional strap as well or not? Let's see. Ah, there we go. Darn, I was kind of hoping for the black one. But if you buy it from Amazon, it comes with the orange strap. Instruction manual. And this is one of the things a lot of people complained about. This is your charge port. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have your own Type-C cable to plug this into. I didn't really see that as that big of a deal. A lot of people didn't like it. Most all electronic devices are coming with Type-C cables anyway, so for me, I've got them laying all over the place. Now again, this is just an unboxing. Once I figure out how to use it, some of the features, I will attach videos. It does have a quick release strap, so it should be really easy to change out. I will say this, it is light. It doesn't weigh anything. I've got 6.5-inch diameter wrist. It's got a nice fit to it. So I've had a chance to change out the strap and at least turn it on, play with it a little bit. I did want to show you just some of the touchscreen functionality. I will say this, it is very responsive. You can basically swipe up, swipe down, swipe to the left, swipe to the right, and go to your activities. Really nice touchscreen. The view is great. Touchscreen functionality is really good. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. Again, once I figure out some features of it, I will attach those to this video. As always, thanks for watching.